Hello, everyone, and welcome back to iTalki English. I'm Sam, and as always, I'm here with the lovely Chloe.
Hey, Sam. Hey, everyone. So good to be here. Today, we're talking about something I think we can all relate to, the little things we can't live without every single day, the small stuff that just makes our day feel right.
Ooh, that's a great topic because it's often the things we don't even notice until they're gone. Okay, I have to start with the most obvious one for me the classic morning debate coffee or tea. Chloe, where do you stand on this very important issue?
Oh, it's not even a debate for me. It is 100% coffee. Honestly, my brain doesn't truly start until I've had my first cup. It's not a joke. Before that, I'm just a zombie walking around.
Right, a zombie. I totally get that. But is it just about the caffeine for you, or is it the whole experience? For me, it's the ritual grinding the beans, the smell filling the kitchen. It's my signal that the day has officially begun.
The ritual. I can appreciate that. I think for me, it's mostly the function. I'm a simple black coffee kind of girl. I just need it to work. But I do get what you mean about the smell. It is one of the best smells in the world.
It really is. See, I'm a morning coffee person, but I switched to tea in the afternoon. A nice cup of herbal tea around 3 or 4 p.m. is so calming. It's like hitting a reset button in the middle of a busy day.
A reset button. Yeah, that makes sense. I can't do coffee in the afternoon. It would keep me awake all night, so maybe I should try the tea thing. Okay, so after the coffee, the next thing, and it's a big one, is my phone.
Oh, of course, we have to talk about the phone. It's almost embarrassing how much I rely on mine.
Right? But it's everything. It's my alarm clock, my map, my camera, my news source, my connection to friends and family. I didn't realize how important it was until the battery died while I was out last month. I felt so disconnected.
Totally disconnected. It's a strange feeling. I left mine at home one day last week, and for the first hour, I was in a complete panic. That feeling when you check your pocket and it's just not there.
The worst. But then, after the panic, did you feel a little bit free?
Honestly, yes. It was actually nice. I noticed more things on my walk to work. I wasn't constantly checking emails or notifications. It was a good reminder to put it down sometimes. But I was still very happy to get home to it.
Of course. Is there a specific app you couldn't live without? For me, it's my podcast app. It's my companion for my commute, for doing chores, for everything.
That's funny. That leads right into my next thing. For me, it's my music streaming app. I need music. When I'm working, I listen to calm instrumental music to help me focus. When I'm cleaning the house, I need something upbeat and energetic. Music totally controls my mood.
See, we're different there. I find music can sometimes be distracting if I'm trying to concentrate. But a podcast about history or science, I can listen to that for hours. It feels productive, like I'm learning something.
I get that. I love podcasts for long drives or when I'm going for a walk, but I can't have people talking when I'm trying to write. I need melodies, not words. What kind of stuff do you listen to?
Oh, a mix. True crime, comedy, interviews. It depends on my mood. It feels like I have friends in the room with me, which is nice when I'm doing something boring like folding laundry.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Okay, so moving on from technology, what about a habit or a daily routine? Something you just have to do every day to feel normal.
Definitely. My morning walk. I mentioned it before, but it's non-negotiable for me. Even if it's just for 10 minutes around the block before I start work. It gets me out into the fresh air, gets my body moving. It completely clears my head.
Clears your head. I should do that more often. I tend to just go straight from bed to my desk. My routine is actually at the end of the day. I have to read for at least 15 minutes before I go to sleep.
Oh, that's a good one. A real book or on a tablet?
Always a real physical book. It helps me disconnect from screens. It tells my brain, okay, it's time to slow down now. Time to sleep. If I don't do it, my mind just keeps racing.
That's a really healthy habit. My version of that is probably my 10 minutes of quiet time I try to get in the evening. No phone, no TV, just sitting with my thoughts. Or trying not to think at all, which is harder.
That is so hard, but so important. It brings us to the idea of small comforts, not big routines, just tiny things. For me, you know what it is? A comfortable piece of clothing.
Okay, tell me more. Like a favorite sweater?
Exactly. I have this old gray hoodie. It's so soft. It's probably got a tiny hole in it somewhere, but the second I put it on after a long day, I just feel instantly relaxed and at home. It's like a hug.
Oh, everyone has one of those. An at-home only item of clothing. For me, it's not clothing, but a specific snack. It's so weird and specific. But in the late afternoon, I need a handful of almonds and one square of dark chocolate.
So specific. I love it. Does it feel wrong if you have two squares?
It feels a little too indulgent, yes. One is the perfect amount. It just resets my energy for the rest of the afternoon. It's a small thing, but I miss it if I don't have it.
Speaking of comforts, what about a favorite spot in your house? Do you have a specific chair or corner that's just yours?
Oh, absolutely. I have an old armchair by the window in my living room. It gets the best afternoon sun. It's my go-to spot for reading or just zoning out for a few minutes. It's perfectly worn in, and it's my little sanctuary.
I love that word, sanctuary. That's exactly what those spots are. A place where you feel safe and comfortable without even thinking about it. For me, it's the corner of my couch with a blanket. Same spot every evening. The designated couch spot, very important. And if someone sits there,
Oh, I won't say anything, but I will be silently judging them.
as you should, totally fair. It's funny how these little things don't seem important, but they really shape how our days feel.
Yeah, they're not big, exciting things, but they give our day structure and comfort. And when one of them is missing, you really notice it.
Exactly, like when your favorite mug is in the dishwasher.
Oh no, that can ruin the whole morning.
So true. And I think that's what today's conversation is really about, paying attention to those small details.
And maybe appreciating them a bit more, because daily life can feel repetitive, but these little habits and comforts make it enjoyable.
So here's a question for everyone listening. What are your everyday essentials? Not the big, obvious things, but the small ones.
Is it a drink, a routine, a place, a moment of quiet, something that helps you feel like yourself?
We'd love to hear your answers, so feel free to share them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this relaxed chat, don't forget to subscribe to iTalki English so you don't miss our next episode. Thanks so much for listening.
Take care, enjoy the little things, and we'll see you next time. Bye.